Ever wondered if your streaming service could get, well, more? More blockbusters, more binge-worthy series, more of those shows everyone's talking about? If you're a Neon subscriber, you might have noticed something new, something that promises exactly that, Max. But what exactly is Max on Neon, and how does it change your viewing experience? Let's dive in. For those in New Zealand, Neon has long been a go-to for quality entertainment, offering a curated selection of local and international content. Think of it as your primary streaming home. Now, with the introduction of Max, Neon is essentially expanding its horizons by integrating a vast library from Warner Bros. Discovery. This isn't a separate subscription you need to sign up for, it's a dedicated hub within your existing Neon service. So, what kind of content are we talking about? When we say Max, we're talking about a powerhouse of prestigious entertainment brands. This includes the critically acclaimed series from HBO, like House of the Dragon, The Last of Us, and classics such as Game of Thrones and Succession. If you're a fan of compelling dramas and groundbreaking storytelling, HBO's offerings alone are a massive draw. But it doesn't stop there. Max also brings in the cinematic universe of Warner Bros., meaning you'll get access to a wide array of blockbuster movies and beloved franchises. And for the superhero aficionados, the DC universe is now at your fingertips, with all its iconic characters and thrilling adventures. Beyond the big-name dramas and action, Max on Neon significantly broadens the scope of available genres. You'll find a deep library of Max originals, shows created specifically for the Max platform, offering fresh and exciting new narratives. Plus, there's a wealth of content from the Discovery channels, covering everything from captivating documentaries and reality shows to lifestyle and food programming. Think Animal Planet, TLC, HGTV, and more, all now easily accessible within your Neon subscription. Even family favorites from Cartoon Network and the enchanting world of Harry Potter are part of this expanded offering. Essentially, Max on Neon transforms your streaming experience by consolidating an immense amount of premium content into one convenient place. It means less hopping between apps and more time enjoying the shows and movies you love, or discovering new ones across a truly diverse range of genres and brands. From intense dramas and superhero sagas to lighthearted comedies and informative documentaries, the Max integration significantly enhances the value of your Neon subscription, all at no additional cost beyond your existing plan. It's designed to make finding and watching top-tier entertainment simpler and more comprehensive than ever before. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.